I'm Shammass Khan and I represent Busch PROtective Germany. This is our AMP-1 TP helmet, our flagship helmet, and I'm just going to give you a bit of a short insight into the helmet. The helmet was designed actually for teams who are involved in a counter-terror role. So there's a big difference between helmets for military operations and helmets for close-quarter combat roles. The main part of the helmet is the shell, the capability that the shell brings. The shell is certified to the VPAM HVN level 3, as well as the FBI DEA norm, as well as the NIJ 3A norm. Additionally, we also have V50 testing on the helmet shell. What's so good about the shell is it replicates the threat that users will face in a close quarter combat role. So when we talk about the threat, the helmet will be tested to take shots on the bolts, on the edge of the helmet, random locations, and most importantly, how much energy is transferred to the skull. And that's an important factor. It's not just how we stop the bullet, it's we stop the bullet and limit the trauma. One of the other advantages of the helmet is the pad system inside. We have a removable pad system that actually is very well ventilated. It's easy to remove. It comes in different sizes because everybody's head size and shape is different. So comfort is an important factor. Talking about the retention system itself, we have our wheel dowel system, which provides a uni-size shell going from 52 centimeters to 63 centimeters. So going from small to extra large. Simple wheel dowel component that you can just rotate, and actually it just decreases and increases the size of the helmet shell. Then we have our harness system. We have various types of harness system, various sizes, depending on the team and the type of harness system that's required. We can accommodate that. Talking about the rail system, I'm going to switch over to this helmet here. Here we have our rail system here. Has got the visor attached to it on the Speed Connect system. Also has the mandible connected to it. You've also got the comm devices, and realistically there's even more space there to put a lamp on it if you wanted to at the rear aspect over here. This helmet, the makeup of it is, it's protecting the skull itself, the face itself with a visor here, the mandible cut visor as well as the mandible. So you've got full 9mm protection and V50 up to 600 meters per second from the frontal perspective, and then you've got the VPAM HVN level 3 certified helmet and the FBI tested helmet. That gives you that full rounded protection. On the modularity, going over to this helmet over here, we have an AK-47 plate. What this plate does is stops 7.62 mild steel core and reduces the trauma to the skull. Combined with it, we have our 9mm 44 Magnum VPAM level 3 certified visor. And the cool thing about this helmet system, and I say system, is that actually it's tested how it would be worn by the operator. So the helmet is shot while the helmet is clamped, and we want to see actually how many shots, or does the system itself support the up armor visor? And yes, it does. We shot 5 rounds at this visor and actually did not compromise the system. The visor was still in place. The AK-47 plate here, we shot 3 rounds at it. I'm just going to show how quickly and easily you can put the visor system onto the helmet. I opened the wheel dial, I've placed the helmet on my head, tightened the wheel dial, it's quite secure. I'll put the chin strap on, centralize it using the points here and the points to the side. Then I get the visor, find the points with a bit of practice. All I do is put the visor on, put it down. That's my visor on now, protecting my face. This is a specialized visor system that's created for a team with a specialized weapon system, so they can get good sight alignment and cheek weld. If I want to remove the visor quite quickly and easily, within seconds, using gloves, I can take it off. I've removed a significant amount of weight from my head. So some visors are 1.2 kilograms. This is approximately 800 grams. It's removed. I've still got my helmet on. I'm protected at all times. Same again, want to put it back on, find the points, click down, I'm protected again, ready to move into the next phase. I hope the information was of benefit. Gives you a short insight into the AMP-1 TP helmet system, and we're here to protect what matters.